This is my This is my old oil filter for Vauxhall Meriva 1.4B. As you can see, when I used to start the car, the problem was that it making a rattling sound. It could be the carburetor, the swirl caps on the carburetor, or it could be the valve in the oil housing for this particular oil filter. You just put it in, it's very easy, it's on the top to maintain. I moved it and it was stuck in there, top ripped off, and I had to wiggle this out from there. As you can see, it's so dirty that when I opened the housing, I had just driven it, come back, there was no oil in there. The oil there should be some oil in there, as I know it, but I've put some clean oil in there, and what happens when oil goes through the dirty oily filter, it becomes very hard for the oil to come out from there. So what's happened here is that the oil has come out from the housing, but this is not circulating, it's not pressuring up to the right pressure. It's either oil is going inside from here in and just getting stuck in there and not being released to the outside. Therefore, that's why there's no oil in the housing. That's what I'm thinking, because I did check the valves are fine. There is a little bit of clean oil at the bottom, but there's no oil on the top here. So I'm sure this is one of the problems. So I've got to get new part for that. If you do have a rattling sound when you start up, but afterwards it's okay, then that could be one of the issues. Especially these guys, it's not an engine problem. This is definitely. I don't have any codes. I did have a code before the dirty oil was in, but now I don't have any other P17 pending code. But I don't have any other code apart from that. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.